What's up, guys? Good morning. It's a beautiful day in Hawaii. We're at Haleiwa Boat Harbor and we're taking out to ski today. We're gonna be going spearfishing, me and my partner Brandon, and hopefully get some lunch, possibly do a catch, clean, and cook for you guys. Stay tuned. All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Look at the hat. Lowe's Day, baby. Woo, wish us luck. All right, so in this clip, this is Brandon. He's at the bottom here, taking a good look around. He's being nice and patient. I think he gives a few grunts here. He's waiting if something comes in. A few goatfish are a little bit interested. He spots a Joe here, so he's just kind of keeping an eye on the one that he wants. Takes a nice shot and he stones it. Beautiful shot. Okay guys, just so you're not confused, my dive partner Brandon, he's the one with the GoPro on his mask. I unfortunately don't have the mask mount or a gun mount. So all the clips of Brandon shooting the fish, that's him. And this is me coming up with my first fish of the day. It was a nice veil. I'll give you guys a little bit more of a breakdown in a second here. But yeah, so a lot of my clips shooting the fish, I don't have them, but I try and show you the fish through Brandon's point of view. Alright, this is one of my favorite fish, guys. This is called a veil. It's a really good eating fish, and yeah. This is one down. Brad's got a nice goatfish, and we're gonna keep diving, try and get some more dinner for you guys. Yes, one more. There you go. Down to the fish fry. Last life. I'm coming up. I actually got really lucky right here. I shot one veil and there's another one nearby. Ended up scoring a double. So we got the 2 for 1. It happens sometimes, but I'll say it's more luck than skill. But 2 of my favorite fish right here. Really good eating. And yeah, I was pretty stoked on this. I wish I had a GoPro on my mask so I could show you guys my point of view and what I'm seeing when I'm hunting and my little tactics, but I'll work on getting a mask mount. I'll try and get some clips to you guys soon. Alright, this is a knife jaw, guys. This is really good eating. Sometimes you gotta be careful of ciguatera, but I feel like if you shoot it in clean areas and they're not really big and dirty looking, I think you're pretty safe. But yeah, it's just one of my favorite eating fish. Alright.
Yes, sir.
Sweet, thank you. And then, yeah, take a good look at that hole. It's like deeper than it looks. And then if not, there's definitely a knife to the left. I had just shot my knife jaw in the previous clip, and I told my dive partner Brandon, I said in this cave when I shot mine I seen about 2 or 3 more, and these are one of his favorite fish to shoot and eat. And I told him I was just like, take a look down this cave, and it kind of dropped off and had this little wide opening to the right. I don't think you can really see it in this clip, but so he breathes up, he takes a nice drop, and he takes a look around. He doesn't see him, unfortunately. You know, fish are smart sometimes. Sometimes they get scared. They might have swam to the opposite side of the cave. But yeah, that's diving. It doesn't always work out in your favor. But he took a good look, didn't see him, and he heads back up. Got another veil here, and this is a nice papillo, or smaller bilu. I think some places in the world you guys call them trevallies, but this was another one of my favorite fish to eat. And Brandon got a nice knife jaw right here, and we could stay out here and dive all day, as fun as it is, but we got enough food to eat, and that's all we need. Take care of us and our families. Thanks for watching, guys. What's up, guys? How's it going? I was a little bit too excited and I missed a clip opening the box, but I wanted to show you guys. My friends at Maui Nui Venison sent me a care package, and it's a locally owned business based out of Maui. And guys, this is the freshest, top quality you can get out here. They ship anywhere in the US, and look, as you can see, it's still ice cold. They send this care package, and they got dry ice in there. So it keeps all the meat ice cold and airtight, as fresh as it can get. This is straight from the farms to your doorstep, guys. This is amazing quality. I just wanted to say a huge thank you to our friends at Maui Nui Venison. What's up, guys? Another day. Me and my partner Brandon going diving. We got the boat today. We're a little late, but it's all good. You never know till you go. We're gonna give it a try and get some fish for you guys. And I'll try and give you guys a breakdown of which fish we're shooting and looking for. All right, made it in the water.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
We got our gear, late than never. Yeah, a little bit late, but it's all good. We're in the water. Engine's running good. The SS bathtub is ready for action. Stay tuned, guys. Rougher. As you can see, there's some wind and waves. Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow. Guys, either I'm extremely fat or this bench is really too late. Maybe the termites got it. Oh my god! I broke the bench. Alright, so we're on our way to go diving and we ran into some locals. Hopefully we can get close enough so you guys can see them. Beautiful. Alright guys, we made it. We are pretty far out the back here. And it's a little bit windy, but it could be worse. The sun's out. Hopefully the fish are out. And we'll give it our best try. Stay tuned. Guys, this is an octopus, also known as a he'e in Hawaiian or a taco in Japanese. But these are really good eating, or you can use them as bait. This guy, it's the first drop of the day. He's good size, so we'll keep him. And he's coming home with us. Alright, a lot of people don't know how to kill these guys, and they're tricky. But the trick is to bite them in between the eyes. Sounds cruel, but it's the fastest way to kill them. Like this. So in this clip here, we haven't seen any fish for a while. The water was getting a little bit deeper, and it was actually hard to see the bottom. And it was a slow dive, so I just said, Brandon, let's go ahead and watch each other and let's try and push it here. And we breathed up, and I took my time, and I ended up doing my personal best, deepest dive. We didn't have a dive watch, and we had no idea exactly how deep it was. It was by far my deepest dive. I still have no idea how deep exactly it is. I would say deeper than 60 feet, but not as deep as, definitely nowhere near like 100. So roughly right in the middle of those. I'm taking a wild guess, but I was pretty stoked that I got to the bottom, got to look around, didn't see any fish, and took my time and came back up and had my dive partner watching me. Once again, guys, I can't stress enough, if you guys ever go spearfishing, really dive safe and dive smart. Always dive with a partner, and make sure you guys really look after each other. I lost one of my best friends when I was 17 years old. He had a shallow water blackout and he passed away, and unfortunately I wasn't there diving that day because I would have been looking after him. I feel like he still would have been here. But you gotta dive safe, guys, and look after each other. No fish is worth your life, and never dive alone because anything can happen. Dive safe, guys.
Oh, now you hit the bottom. It's gotta be 100 feet, bro. It's gotta be like 80, 100 feet. Could barely see you. I was out of breath before I got to the bottom. That wasn't really long of a breath up. Yeah, you just went, okay, I was good. I was like, oh shit, okay. Is it on still?
Yep. What up, guys? This is another one of my favorites. This is called a Joe Louis, or some people call it black blues, or I believe blues. But really good eating, part of the goatfish family, and this is one of my favorites. We got one on the board. All right.
Big boy.
Good morning, guys. It's another beautiful morning in Hawaii. Me and Brand's going fishing. Taking out the SS bathtub. We were a little rushed and late, and I forgot my board shorts, so I'm gonna be fishing in my regular dry clothes. But wish us luck. First bite of the day. What do we got? What do we got?
That's a candy bar.
Wipe this down for you guys.
Did it come off?
Oh, he spit the hook. First fight of the day. What do we got? What do we got? I think I see a baby candy bar on there.
I think so too.
Yes, yee. That's exactly what we're looking for, guys.
Small bait, big fish.
Little live bait action. We know it's sad, but that's the best way to catch the fish that we're going for. And he won't be going to waste. All right, stay tuned. Maybe it's a doubles. Hit my jack a little bit.
Come on, Opelu.
Oh yeah, that would be rad.
It's a trigger fish.
Oh no! This is the last thing we want, guys. This thing's the biggest plug in the ocean.
It literally farts. It goes.
Yeah, that thing is rubbish. Guys, we sent the live bait down, and it's probably a couple 100 feet deep, and something is definitely hitting the pole. See that? Part of me wants to reel this in so bad, but you gotta let the fish take it and run. Patience. Got stuck? Well, something definitely hit it. Stole our bait. But we got a couple more in there. Try again. Here we go. Got bait. That's exactly what we're going for. Bait, baby. Look at that. 1, 2. Doubles. Triples. Brands is on. Stay tuned. All right. Not exactly what we're going for, but it was a good little battle on Brandon's pole. Pretty fat table boss. Some people like these. I'm not the biggest fan, but it's a good size fish. And they're pretty trippy looking. Look at the teeth. Wild. He lives to fight another day. We got something. Live action.
See the color of the dress?
Don't see it yet. Oh, is that blue? Guys, we see color. Wish us luck. Stay tuned. Yes!
One down.
Let's go! Oh my goodness. This is exactly what we were looking for, guys. Oh my God, look at these colors. This is a beautiful umilu. Whoa, look, double hook.
Nice size and
Set in the mouth with the live bait. And then a little backup snag in the body here. All right. It's been about an hour of fishing and we got one on the board, baby. Yeah.
Sweating.
Yeah, baby. Woo.
Oh, is it Monocolly?
Oh, yeah. Yes, let's get right up. All right. Yee. This is a perfect time to shout out Campania Lures. Thank you so much to Brother Jerry. These grubs are amazing, and I use these things every time I fish. I think this guy's a little bit small. He's probably legal size, but we already got a nice fish on the board, so I'm gonna let this guy go. got another one on. Whatever it is, it's definitely a big something. Can't tell you what it is just yet, but stay tuned.
Let's
Holy shit! Oh my god, look at this thing.
Dinosaur.
Another double snag on my double setup. I love it. Yay! This thing is a tank, guys. Oh yes. This is probably my favorite fish of all time. Gray snapper, we call it uku. One of the best eating fish in the world. This is as fresh as it gets. And this is a tank, guys. I shot one of these diving yesterday about a quarter of the size of this thing. Yay! Let's go.
Right back off.
Yes, sir. Yay!
One down.
This is exactly what we were looking for. Big boy. Ucusaurus rex. Yeah.
And we're on again.
Feels really light though.
Hey, Papillo, baby uku.
It almost feels like. Oh, just kidding.
Maybe we should swim it up. That choke energy.
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Here, you hit the net. Oh. Let's go.
Whoa. Yes, sir. Yeah, baby.
One more. Down the hatchet.
Uku. Chee! That's what we wanted. Right there. Yes. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Winds got kind of strong and the bite slowed down, but we got some good fish. It was a successful trip. We got 3 of our favorite fish and exactly what we were going for. And I can't wait to cook these guys up, share it with my friends and family. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Let us know what you want to see and we'll get to work. All right.